in this tutorial I will show you Blob Brush Tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump into this. Blob Brush Tool you can access from here. Brush Tool stack, just right click and here is Blob Brush Tool. Shortcut is Shift plus B. Blob Brush Tool draw field shape. It has only field shapes that can merge with others of the same color. So same color, it will merge with other same color and in the field it is a field shape. So I am drawing a line with selecting Blob Brush Tool. See, you can see that I am drawing again. Okay, I am selecting only stroke here and no fill, but when I draw with Blob Brush Tool you can see it is only field color and there is no stroke. It works only with field color. Now if you draw another line with this, the shape will merge as both the lines has same colors. Okay, I am unselecting it and change the color of it. Now I am drawing it. You can see the two shapes is not merged. They didn't merge with each other. Okay, so if they are same color they will merge. Also they will merge easily. Now if I am double clicking here, this is merge only with selection selected. Okay, now I am holding down Ctrl and press outside the area. Now if I draw a line, you can see the shape didn't merge each other because I have checked this merge only with selection. However, if I unchecked it, you can see now I am clicking here, selecting Ctrl, and now it is merged because there is no limitation with no condition that the path need to be selected. Okay, if I hold down Shift, I can draw a straight line or diagonal line 45 degree orientation. Okay, also if I hold down Alt, it will transform into a smooth tool. Okay, so that I can smooth it. Also if I double click here, you can change the brush, default brush option. You can change size of it. Also you can right square bracket, left square bracket, you can easily change the size. Also angle, you can change the angle of the brush and roundness. You can hold down this to change the roundness, or hold down, you can move this to change the angle. Okay, so that was the Blob Brush Tool in Adobe Illustrator. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.